Hi, I'm going to show you how you can use a questionnaire from the PsyToolkit website in your own study. Basically, if you go to the main PsyToolkit website, which is www.psytoolkit.org, you see that there is a library of questionnaires. If I go there, I see that there are scales for adults, which are all ready to run questionnaires. They are all established questionnaires used in psychology, and you can click on one. I'm going to show you the Edinburgh Handedness Inventory. It's a very short questionnaire to find out whether you're left or right-handed. First, you can run the demo to see what it looks like. Every survey starts with a welcome screen like this one. It asks you to confirm that you really want to do the survey. If you do that, you see there is basically one main item. Please indicate your preferences in the use of hands in the following activities or objects. If you do that, you see this. You can see whether you're left or right-handed. When you decide that you really want to use the inventory in your own study, you can then copy the actual survey code. So if I do that, if I'm going to select this, I can select the text, I can copy it to the clipboard, and then I can go to the main PsyToolkit website and I select the web-based system, web-based. I click that, and there I want to log in. I already have set up an account, and I want to create a new survey. I'm going to create a new survey, and I'm going to call this My Survey. And when you do that, you first see a box where you can enter your survey code. Now we just have copied that from the library, so I'm just going to say here paste, and you need to save that code. Okay, so do that, you save it, and now basically it's ready to run. You need to do a couple of things though. You can, first of all, you can set up your welcome screen, what is called here the survey intro screen. You can, for example, choose your own color scheme. I'm going to choose a blue color scheme. I'm going to say something, welcome to my survey, and you can enter contact information, all sorts of things. You need to save that information. You need to set the survey status to online. That's very important. And you need to say whether the study is being designed, or whether it's a pilot study, or whether it's a real data collection, and so on. Now, you can only change that information once you have actually compiled the survey, when you know it's working. So if we do that, we select that and that, and we change the survey status, then you actually get a URL. This is the URL that you can give to your friends, and you can give it to your participants, you can advertise it on the web, and so on. And that's basically all there is to do. Once you've done that, once you've compiled it, you can actually test this new survey. You see you have a blue color scheme and so on, and it's exactly the same as the original one. So that's very, very simple.